This is going to be the most boring start to a TEDx talk you've ever heard. Ready?
Yes.
I'm Chris, founder and CEO at The Hidden Speaker, a consultancy that teaches professionals the secret to effective presentation.
I said, right now the analytical mode of my brain is laboriously processing every number. Everything feels black and white the same. Take these slides we all hate so much and make them great.
Played a pivotal role in enhancing my presentation skills.
Invest in yourself, you won't be disappointed.
Now for all of you who raised your hand, when I asked if you hated giving presentations, it probably is because a lot of slides look like this. You would pay attention to every data point in this room.
Tech and data professionals are some of the most brilliant people out there, and we deserve to have the communication skills that let that work have impact.
We can all benefit from seeing the world in an intuitive and analytical way. Thank you.